Hi guys and welcome. Today in this video I want to share with you the Blocksy. This is one of the best free themes for WordPress website, and if you're familiar with the WordPress, you're working all the time using WordPress, you're building your websites, definitely this tool will be handy for you. So we're going to take a look to the main points. We're going to take a look how it's done, how it can help you to achieve your goals while you're building your own website or you're managing a couple of websites. So they claim that this is the most innovative, lightning fast, and supercharged free WordPress theme. And this is definitely true because me and my team are working all the time about the WordPress websites, and there are a lot of interesting tools, but Blocksy is really high performance and convenient and comprehensive tool that will let you to improve all your websites built on the WordPress. So you can build your next web project visually in minutes without coding skills, and this is quite great news. The performance, let's take a look. We are at the official website, and all the useful links, of course, as usual, you can find in the description panel of this video. So make sure to check it out because this is really useful tool and useful information. Google page speed 95, JD Metrics page speed score 100%, Bing performance grade 92, and JD Metrics WSlow score 88%. So Blocksy is lighter and faster than most similar WordPress themes. You probably know that there are a lot of themes, but they are not so quick. They are not so efficient. Definitely, we checked. We tested, we compared this stuff. So let's take a look to the key features. Really, it's comprehensive tool. It's packed with all that you need, really. So let's take a look to the main points of the Blocksy. Lightning fast. It's really, it is. Feels fast, and numbers confirm that. It is ranked at the top in most speed testing tools. And this is true. We tested the competitors. We tested the Blocksy, and Blocksy shows great speed. Blocksy shows great performance. Gutenberg ready, built from scratch to be 100% compatible with the Gutenberg editor and blocks. Also nice news for those who works with WordPress all the time. Code splitting, low JavaScript behavior when you really need it, using Webpack support for Dynamics import. E-commerce ready, easily build and customize your online store in minutes and start selling like a pro. Translation ready for those folks who are building websites for all of the world. Blocksy is ready to be translated into any language and doesn't contain hard-coded strings. This is really cool. Clean code. Every single line of code is thoughtfully written and is open for changes and new features. If you have more experience, if you know coding, if you can work with code, you can use the code. But you can build everything that you want without coding knowledges. Live preview, customizer changes are synced in real time in the preview window without slowing your workflow, and fully responsive, surprise your mobile users by giving them a unique experience while they navigate. So all the websites built using Blocksy themes are adaptable. You don't need to make separate website for mobile version, for tablet version, and so on. This is really convenient. This is absolutely fantastic. You can build a website using all best builders, page builders. choose your favorite, upload Blocksy, and here you go. Blocksy was built and designed to work with the best WordPress page builders out there. Just start creating your most ambitious designs using Gutenberg, using Breezy, using Elementor, or Beaver Builder. There are a lot of them, and you can choose your favorite to make your work. So you can customize everything, and this is really cool, and this is really fast and convenient. I'm not gonna build the website in this video, but I'm gonna show you how it looks from inside. So you have a lot of options like layout, header options, footer options, sidebar options, and you can customize everything, hyper intuitive options to customize and change in real time every part of your website. It gives you control over the layout settings, header, footer, sidebars, pagination, single page, and a lot more. And you can check all this information via the link in the description panel, guys. And there you're gonna get interest and bonuses from our team to our subscribers. So make sure to check it out. All of the things, all the information you can find on the official website. So I want to show you how it looks from inside, and we're gonna jump in a second. But let's take a look to this theme car features. Blocksy comes bundled with many powerful options and clever features. Here are some, but not all of them. Give Blocksy a try to discover its full potential. SEO optimize, one-click importer, social friendly, page hero section, widget areas, GDPR compliant, color scheme editor, custom widgets, related posts, child theme, integrated schema, global typography, live search, sticky sidebars, image aspect ratio, instant customization, lazy loading, WooCommerce extra, pagination types, responsive, and retina ready. This is not all, but this is really important. Built with the latest web technologies. We use only battle-tested and updated technologies for the best results. Babel, Webpack, React, opinions, feedbacks, and so on. Of course, you can sign up for the newsletter of these themes. Guys, this is something huge, really, and if you're familiar with WordPress, if you're working to build your site, or maybe you're an agency that working for the clients, definitely is going to be really handy. Let's jump inside to take a look how it looks and how it feels. I already updated, activated all the things. You have here interesting stuff called Blocksy Helper, and there you go. It's from one spot, from one button. You can customize everything, customize shortcuts, color options, header options, blog options, page, sidebar, and footer options. They are all here. Starter sites. Let's take a look, just fast review. What can we do here? Available for Gutenberg, Elementor, and so on. You can choose the theme that suits to your needs, and it's already built, it's already done. It's just activating it, importing, and you can choose which builder you will use to change all the things. A lot of extensions here, useful plugins, also just everything that you need you can find here. There's a Blocksy, and let's go to themes. Let's go. We have one from Blocksy. Let's press customize, and we're jumping inside. We're jumping inside to see how it looks. There's only one post here, and here you go. If you're using WordPress all the time, definitely you familiar with all those stuff: general, header, footer, sidebar, colors, typography, performance, post types, blog post, single or categories, pages, core, site identity, all the things that you will use. Definitely you have all the options. You can also view pro features. There are free Blocksy themes, and there are pro features. You can compare them inside, and this is really fast. One of the best themes that our team ever saw. So definitely you need to check it out. If you're familiar with the WordPress, you're building websites, definitely check it out, please, because in the description panel you will find more information. You'll find special links where you can get your own bonuses from our team to our subscribers. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was useful, and I hope you'll try it. So, strongly recommended. Blocksy is one of the best themes out there. Make sure to check it out by yourself. Thanks, take care, and see you in the next video. Bye.